how to implement drag and drop functionality in a React component using just React and HTML5's native drag and drop API. In this example, we define a state variable called isDragging to keep track of whether the drag item is currently being dragged. We also define 4 event handlers. Handle drag start. This is called when the user starts dragging the drag item. We set the isDragging state to true and add the ID of the dragged item to the data transfer object. Handle drag end. This is called when the user stops dragging the drag item. We set the isDragging state to false. Handle drop is called when the user drops the drag item onto the drop target. We prevent the default behavior. Get the ID of the dragged item from the data transfer object. Get the dragged item itself using document getElement by ID and append it to the drop target. Handle drag over. This is called when the user drags the drag item over the drop target. We prevent the default behavior to allow dropping. Finally, we render the drag item and the drop target as 2 div elements with appropriate event handlers and styles. The drag item has the draggable attribute set to true, which allows it to be dragged. This is just a simple example of how you can implement drag and drop functionality in a React component using pure React and HTML5's native drag and drop API. However, keep in mind that this approach has some limitations and may not work well in all situations. If you need more advanced drag and drop functionality, you may want to consider using a third-party library like ReactDND or React Beautiful DND, which we will discuss in next videos.